Pet animal, a cat. This is a cat. It eats rats. And it drinks milk. Cow. This is a cow. It gives us milk. And it eats grass. Dog. This is a dog. It is a domestic animal. It watches our house. Goat. This is a goat. It is a mammal. It eats grass. Fish. This is a fish. It lives in the water. It breathes through gills. Cock. This is a cock. It eats grains. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. It eats grass. It runs very fast. Wild animals. Lion. This is a lion. It is king of the jungle. It eats flesh. Deer. This is a deer. It is a beautiful animal. It eats plants. Horse. This is a horse. It runs very fast. It eats plants. Elephant. This is an elephant. It is trunk. It eats plants. Bear. This is a bear. It eats flesh. It can climb on trees. Birds. Crow. This is a crow. It is black in color. Duck. This is a duck. It can swim in the water. It cannot fly for too long. Eagle. This is an eagle. It has very sharp vision. It eats flesh. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. It is a symbol of peace. Parrot. This is a parrot. It eats chilies. It is very beautiful. Peacock. This is a peacock. It is a beautiful bird. It dances during the rain. sparrow. This is a sparrow. A sparrow is a very small bird.